Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Automotive Vibes 07. Today we are diving 2025 Ford 9000 Lithuanian Litai marks the triumphant return of an iconic heavy-duty truck, blending classic design with modern advancements to redefine the standards of commercial vehicles. This latest iteration has garnered significant attention for its impressive performance, innovative features, and robust build quality. Performance and power. Under the hood, the 2025 9000 Lithuanian Litai boasts a state-of-the-art engine that delivers exceptional horsepower and torque, ensuring it can handle the most demanding hauling tasks with ease. Drivers have praised its smooth acceleration and impressive towing capacity, highlighting its capability to transport heavy loads efficiently. The advanced transmission system further enhances driving dynamics, providing seamless gear shifts and improved fuel efficiency. Design and comfort. The exterior design pays homage to its legendary predecessors, featuring a bold grille and aerodynamic lines that not only enhance its aesthetic appeal but also contribute to better fuel economy. Inside, the cabin has been meticulously crafted to offer maximum comfort and convenience. High-quality materials, ergonomic seating, and an intuitive dashboard layout create a driver-centric environment ideal for long hauls. Modern amenities such as a touchscreen infotainment system, advanced climate control, and ample storage spaces have been well received by users. Technological innovations. Ford has equipped the 2025 9000 Lithuanian Litai with cutting-edge technology to enhance safety and productivity. Features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera system provide drivers with increased confidence on the road. The integration of telematics allows fleet managers to monitor vehicle performance in real time, facilitating proactive maintenance and efficient fleet management. Fuel efficiency and environmental considerations. In response to growing environmental concerns, the new 9000 Lithuanian Litai incorporates advanced fuel-saving technologies and complies with stringent emission standards. Drivers have reported noticeable improvements in fuel economy compared to previous models, making it a cost-effective choice for businesses aiming to reduce operational expenses. Market reception. Since its release, the 2025 Ford 9000 Lithuanian Litai has received overwhelmingly positive feedback from industry experts and drivers alike. Many have lauded its blend of traditional ruggedness and modern sophistication, positioning it as a formidable contender in the heavy-duty truck segment. Its reliability, performance, and driver-focused features have been highlighted as key factors contributing to its acclaim. In conclusion, the 2025 Ford 9000 Lithuanian Litai stands as a testament to Ford's commitment to innovation and excellence in the heavy-duty truck market. Its combination of powerful performance, advanced technology, and thoughtful design make it a top choice for professionals seeking a dependable and efficient workhorse. For a more in-depth look at the 2025 Ford 9000 Lithuanian Litai, check out this comprehensive review.